What up, YouTube? Just kidding. What up, my Forex family here, Cooley FX group here. Let's get into here. What are we gonna be doing for trading currencies this week? So, we're gonna be buying a US dollar index. The other portion of buying the US dollar index is be well prepared for the retracements and also be prepared if the dollar sells off during the election, right? Going back on the election here, I know a lot of you guys are probably wondering what's going to happen. I don't know what's going to happen. I'm not going to make any assumptions. Like I said, the big day is Tuesday. We got the presidential election, congressional elections. This is going to be a really key component to trading this week. So, this is going to be really volatile. I wouldn't be surprised if they kick off tomorrow morning New York session as a really high volatile market. So pay close attention. Like I said, I'll be looking at the screen as early as around. I would try my best to do at least an hour before New York opens. So it'll be like 6 o'clock my time. Be able to go in and dive down before the market is starting to make that shift into New York sessions. And plus, London overlap with New York is by far the best sessions to make the most amount of money, and also is really, really volatile during that time. So I'm going to go back here to, yes, we're going to be buying the US dollar based on the weekly candle. These are going to be weekly swing signals. I already sent them out to you guys already. Take a look at the charts, match the charts to my signals. If you don't feel comfortable taking them, you don't have to take them. I mean, I suggest just to take maybe just a few. All right. But that is the plan, is buying US dollar index, looking for it to make a move to come back to break 105. And like I said, be well prepared to go back on the daily chart and the 4-hour chart so that you don't get caught up holding like a big lot position on a weekly swing. Okay, so I would highly recommend going into intraday and scalping for this week because of what's going to happen on starting Monday and all the way to the end of Wednesday. So, like I said, Tuesday's the elections. Just be well prepared what's going to happen. Okay. All right. So US 30 here. US 30. We are planning to. I think we were planning to sell. I think. Hang on. Go back. Give me just a brief moment. We're gonna be. No, we're buying. My bad. Okay, so we're buying. Okay. We're buying US 30, looking for US 30 to come back to 40,000, no, not 40,000, 42,500, and then we'll see if it comes back to break back to 43,000 by the end of the week here. Like I said, markets are going to be really choppy. We're buying S&P and also NASDAQ here for the retracement before the elections. And like I said, when the elections kick in, we'll see how it all plays out. So we were buying all the indices. So looking for for S&P 500 come back to 5,800, and then we'll buy NASDAQ for 20,000. I would shoot for 20,200 first, and then 20,400, and then the very top of 20,626. Okay, so break it down every 200 points on NASDAQ here. All right. UCAD on a big move here. UCAD has broken resistance. So the next move is to see if it's going to break 140. If it does not break 140, I'm going to sell it back down. Okay, that's the only price I'm looking for is 140. And then use Swiss, we're buying use Swiss, and it looks like it didn't do much yet, but like I said, we're buying it based on a US dollar index on the correlation here. The first target would be 87, and then the next target would be 88. Like I said, if it doesn't withstand the price above 87, so the price I'm talking about is 87,000. Okay. So it's not much. So it's only like not even a pip. So that way you guys get a chance to see where is this thing's gonna go. It's been just really below 87 this whole time and ranging from 86 and 84. So we'll see how this plays out. UJ trying to shoot back up here. So it's probably gonna be another gap again. I wouldn't be surprised if they shoot this price back to 155 to 156, and then maybe retrace back down from there. So just be well prepared for a gap coming out for today for this pair. We are buying this pair, so we'll see how this pair plays out along with the elections. Okay. Gold, we're selling gold and silver. So gold, we are selling gold back down to the first target would be 2,700. And then the next target would be like 2680. And then the final target would be like 2650. That's as low as I'm going to go. Like I said, it's inverted hammer pin candle here. And we will see how this plays out, especially with the elections on Tuesday. Same thing with silver, selling silver back down. Silver has broken major moves back down here. So I'm just gonna highlight here. So looking for silver to come back down to break 32, and then we'll see if it comes back to 31. And excuse me. And selling the euro dollar back down to 108, 108,000. That would be the first target. And then the next target would be going back down to 107. And then we're selling the euro British pound back down to 83. And then that's all I have for this pair. So looking for it to shoot back all the way back down to the very bottom here, 83. And then buying the pound, looking for the pound to make a retracement back up to 130. That's the first target. And then 131 would be like the final target. And then selling the Australian dollar, the next big move, you come back down to 65.00 back down here. And then the second move would be breaking down at 64 at the very bottom on this support price right here. And then finally, we have New Zealand. Looking for New Zealand to make a move back down. I'm going to get this out of the way. Back down to 59.0 here at the very bottom right here. That's what I would have. And then, where's 59? Yeah, right around here. 59. And then once it breaks 59, we'll see if it comes back to break a little bit below like 58.7, 58.6. So we'll see how that all plays out. And like I said, be on the lookout once New York sessions hit tomorrow morning. We have the Reserve Bank of Australia's rate statement. They plan on keeping the rates the same. ISM with the presidential elections all day on Tuesday. And then Bank of England is going to have their rate cut, 25 basis points on Thursday morning. And then finishing off with CAD employment. So not really too worried about the consumer side for USD. Oh, hold on. Thursday, we got FOMC statement. Ooh. Okay. How did I miss this? Okay, so this is gonna be a really crazy week. So just be well prepared. I'm gonna be up on game here and be looking at the screen this whole week as much as I can with you guys, and it's gonna be nonstop trading. So we're gonna, like I said, the Federal Reserve is planning to cut rates by 25 basis points back to 4.75. So along with Australia's rate cut back. Oh no, they're not doing a rate cut. Bank of England is doing their rate cut, right? Yeah, 25 basis points. Same thing. Yeah, okay. So they're doing the same basis points, 4.75 along with our 4.75. All right. So hope that's enough information. If there's any, like I said, if there's any questions regarding the analysis, let me know in the chat group. All right, guys. Peace. All right, guys. Happy Sunday fun day. Let's get into it and talk about crypto here. Where we at? I had it. I had it. I had it. Where's it at? Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Not looking at. I'll send a video different on this one. So let's talk about this. So been selling crypto since Friday. So cryptocurrency has been dropping down dramatically. And I want to show you guys the weekly chart here. This is the daily, but this is the weekly chart. So you can see how much Bitcoin has dropped back previously. I'm going to outline. What I'm going to outline is these um, past two wicks. This one, okay, and if I, oh shit, I can't get the other one. Hang on, what's going on here? Yeah, stop. What's going on? Oh shoot, what happened? Dang it! Hang on, guys. Hang on. All right. So what I'm going to outline again is what I just said in the horizontal line, right? So let's get into it here. This point right here and this point matches. All right, 2 points of contact. You guys can see this on the weekly candle, inverted, dropping down hard, inverted hammer pin candle, and it's in at 68,466 right now. So I'm planning on holding the sell positions for tonight, and then we're gonna see what's gonna happen later on. Like I said, later on what for Tokyo, and then tomorrow morning we'll see if it tries to retrace back up. But looking at the weekly candle closing out like this, this is a really good way to look at how much is going to be dropped. So I know a lot of people are still trying to buy positions. If you're scalping the buy, I don't really see an issue, but you have to be very careful how much of this is being dropped over the weekend. So make it. I'm just trying to release this. Clear. Okay, good. So I'm gonna go back to the daily here for you guys. All right, so Bitcoin has dropped back from 73.5 back to 68.4. It came all the way down to 67.5. So that's what we'll be looking at the close in for tomorrow or sometime tonight. And then, like I said, holding the sell for Ethereum back down to 2,400. That'd be like my first target. Like I said, I'm already in profit already. I already sent out the screenshot of how much profit I was in, so that way you guys get a chance to see what if I'm making it, not making any. If I'm in the blue or if I'm in the red. Litecoin dropping back down, breaking this first daily support, and I was just in at 66.23. Looking for a move to break down at 66 and then 65. And then Shiba's coming back down to this daily support here. Where is it at? Yeah, right here at 1661. So looking for it to come back down and break the 1601 price down here. Dogecoin has dropped pretty good here. Looking for Dogecoin to break down to 14 cents and then break down 13 cents. And then looking for Ripple to come back down to break. Ripple will come back down to break 50 cents here and then back down to 48 cents. And let's see here. Looking for, let's see. Just trying to re-outline this stuff. Looking for NEO to come back to break below $9 back to $8.60, somewhere around there in that price range. And then Dash has already broken support, so looking for Dash to come back down to 21. And then Solana's broken down support, so looking for it to come back, break 157 to 155. Zcash is really stuck in between here, so pretty narrow price range here for Zcash. So not a whole lot of movement, but like I said, it's still solid. Looking for it to come back to break 36 back down to 35. And then last is Tezos is already come back down to It's already come back down to 60 cents in value. Previously, like I said, this right here and this right here, 2 points of contact at the bottom, very similar in price structure and price support and resistance. So waiting for it to break 60 cents back down to 59. Other than that, I think that's all I got. Yeah, so other than that, that's all I got. Come on, dude. It's fine. Release. Yep. And I erase this. Yep. Other than that, holding on these sell positions for crypto. Any questions or concerns and what I'm doing in the crypto chat group, let me know. Like I said, I'm adding you guys to the crypto chat group because you guys are my customers. So uh, that's basically what I'm doing. And like I said, I'm sending screenshots of where I'm in profit or I'm in negative. All right, guys. Like I said, let me know if there's any questions in the analysis here for today. All right. Peace.